Hi there, I'm Sandi Smith, and I'm one of the specialists for the PATINS project. Today we're going to talk about a little bit of old technology. It's called ChatterPix. And ChatterPix has been around long enough that you can get it on an iPhone, you can get it on an Android phone, an iPad, and even a Google Pixel. So that's what we kind of call device agnostic. And that's a nice one to have because then every student in your room can access it. What it does is it allows you to take really short videos and post them or send them. It's got a spot there up there at the top that says ChatterPix Kids, and that will give you a really nice, very fast rundown of how to use this app. I literally learned it in less than a minute. You take a photo of yourself or something, you draw a line across it so that there is a mouth or an opening, and then you start talking. And once the video is all put together, whatever you have taken a picture of talks with its mouth opening and closing. So let me show you one that I did with a Starbucks cup. It looks like this.
Hey there, you know you want to go to Starbucks. You know you want that mocha. You're fighting with it. Just go get the mocha.
So that's just a fun one. But let's think about education with this. I can have a gallery of these. It's all free. I love free. So let's say I'm a high school student and, I don't know, I just don't feel like myself today. And I don't feel like standing up in front of you guys and telling you what I know about Pluto. Well, I've got a fix for that.
Hi, I'm Pluto, and I want to reassure you all that I am not upset in the slightest that I am not a planet. I don't have feelings. I'm a rock. I'm a rock that goes the wrong way. So, they turned me into what's called a dwarf planet. I got to keep these things above me, Charon and Nix, my moons. They still call those moons. It's okay. Or satellites. We can call any moon a satellite.
You can actually make video after video after video and string them together and make one full long video of whatever it is you need to talk about. Send it to the teacher or play it for your peers if other students are standing up and doing their videos. But that allows for a little bit of choice. And we all know in a universally designed environment, choice leads to a lot of great things like engagement. So again, this was ChatterPix, and I'm Sandi Smith from the PATINS Project. Please get a hold of me if you want to know a little bit more about this.